Imagine filling your gas tank and watching $10 slip away. This happens every time you pump. Oil isn't just about gas. It's the hidden force behind everything from groceries to shipping costs. When oil spikes, so do prices at the pump and in your cart. That's because oil powers trucks, planes, and factories making your favorite snacks. A small rise in oil can ripple through the economy like a stone in water, affecting your commute and pizza delivery. Right now, U.S. airstrikes on Abadan in Iran or Nigeria's crackdown on illegal refining sites are keeping prices volatile. So next time you groan at the pump, remember, oil isn't just fueling cars, it's fueling your wallet. Back in the 70s, oil shocks made headlines, gas lines snaked around cities, and prices skyrocketed overnight. Today's oil market isn't just about supply and demand, it's about geopolitics. Conflicts like those in Iran can disrupt global markets faster than you can say gas station. Meanwhile, illegal refining sites in places like Nigeria add to the chaos. These disruptions affect your groceries, shipping costs, and even pizza delivery. Oil isn't just about filling up your car, it's about who controls the spigot and why. But oil prices don't just spike from big conflicts. In Nigeria's Niger Delta, illegal refining sites, often hidden in swamps or jungle clearings, operate outside government control. The Nigerian Navy, under Operation DELTA SENTINEL, cracks down, but these sites keep reappearing. This chaos disrupts global oil supply, causing price swings that ripple to your groceries and shipping costs. Even a small disruption here can affect prices worldwide. Now let's look at Iran, a key player in global oil markets. Recent U.S. airstrikes on Abadan have raised tensions. While Iran hasn't closed its airspace yet, such a move could disrupt oil flows, causing price spikes. This isn't just about politics. It's about who controls the oil supply and how that affects your wallet. Now, let's talk about the real power players, OPEC and its bigger sibling, OPEC+. You've probably heard of OPEC, the group that controls about a third of the world's oil production. But in 2026, it's OPEC+ that's calling the shots. That's plus. It includes Russia, which has become just as crucial to keeping prices high. Together, they don't just pump oil. They manipulate production like a chess game. Cut output. Prices drop. And when they coordinate, it's not just about supply, it's about geopolitics. Pride put it, it's not just about supply weight. A single meeting can send ripples through your wallet, affecting everything from gas to groceries. In Nigeria's Niger Delta, illegal refining sites like rogue gas stations pop up and vanish, disrupting oil flows. The Nigerian Navy cracks down, but these sites keep reappearing, sending prices on a roller coaster. This volatility doesn't just hit your wallet at the pump, it trickles into groceries, shipping, even late-night pizza delivery. So next time you're at the store or waiting for your order, remember, chaos in Nigeria's refineries is part of the puzzle. But oil prices aren't just manipulated by people, they're also rocked by nature. Picture this. A tropical depression forms over the Gulf of Mexico, exactly where oil rigs and refineries are packed like sardines. When storms hit, they shut down pipelines, delay tanker routes, and send crews scrambling for safety. That's not just bad weather. It's a supply chain domino effect. A storm can cut output overnight, and suddenly, your gas prices feel like they're playing tag with inflation. It's like Mother Nature holding the pause button on global oil flows. And when she does, your wallet feels it first. While the world's attention is glued to Mundial 2026 posters of Post Malone and Tom Cruise, stadiums buzzing with fans, oil markets are quietly playing their own game. OPEC Plus is still pulling strings, but now, even a tropical depression over the Gulf can overshadow their moves. Meanwhile, in Nigeria's Niger Delta, rogue refineries pop up like a digital glitch, disrupting flows and sending prices spiraling. The World Cup steals headlines, but your wallet feels the ripple effects first. But here's a myth you've probably heard. Oil prices don't matter like they used to. Think again. Just like Nigeria's Navy can't stop rogue refineries from popping up overnight, or a tropical depression can freeze the Gulf of Mexico's oil fields, in hours oil markets are still volatile. OPEC Plus isn't gone. It's just sharing the spotlight with storms and geopolitical surprises. Your gas tank still reacts to chaos, whether it's a World Cup distraction or a missile strike in Iran. Panic? Maybe not. But control? Definitely not. But control? Definitely not. Higher oil costs don't just hit your wallet at the pump. They ripple through everything you buy. Shipping a single smartphone? It's like hauling liquid gold, and every delay spikes its price. Food? Think of coffee beans or chocolate traveling thousands of miles on diesel-powered ships. Droughts or strikes can make them costlier overnight. Even that new gaming console. Its plastic case and rare metals are priced by oil futures. The oil premium is hiding in your lunchbox, your rideshare, and even your streaming subscriptions. You pay it whether you drive a car or surf the web. You don't need a weather app to predict oil price spikes. Just watch for airspace closures or see a refinery under attack. A tropical depression over the Gulf can freeze oil fields faster than a snowstorm, while rogue refineries in Nigeria's Niger Delta pop up like digital glitches, disrupting flows and sending prices soaring. These are the early warning signs that your wallet is about to get hit, whether it's from a missile strike or a sudden storm. Stay sharp because oil markets move faster than you think, but you don't have to be a victim. There are ways to shield your wallet when oil prices spike. Think of it like buying snacks during a sale. Stock up on non-perishables like rice or pasta when prices dip. These items last longer and won't spoil, so you can save big. Similarly, keep an eye on shipping news. If you see airspace closures or storms over oil fields, prices might jump soon, so plan ahead. Small changes, like choosing bulk buys or waiting for sales, add up. Oil markets are unpredictable, but your spending doesn't have to be. Oil isn't just about gas prices. It's a hidden force shaping your wallet long term. When oil spikes, costs ripple through economies. Groceries get pricier, governments raise taxes or subsidize energy, and industries like tech shift to renewables. But until then, oil's influence lingers in everyday products. For example, a smartphone's price tag might include an oil premium, a small but noticeable cost from global supply chains. Meanwhile, conflicts like the 2026 Iran war or illegal refining hotspots in Nigeria can disrupt oil flows. Prices higher. Staying informed helps you see beyond headlines and understand why energy policies matter for your future. Oil prices aren't just about filling your tank. They're a silent force shaping your wallet every day. From airstrikes on Iranian refineries to rogue oil operations in Nigeria's Niger Delta or storms over the Gulf, these events send ripples through your spending. Think of it like buying snacks during a sale. Stock up when prices dip, and you'll save long term. But staying ahead means more than just watching for sales. It's about understanding the world's hidden triggers. Whether it's a tropical depression or geopolitical tensions, oil markets move fast, but your spending does have to. Subscribe now to stay sharp, decode these signals, and never miss a breakdown.